Phonics Junior.
The Eggles. Hello, Eggletam. How are you today? Oh, something's happening. Pop goes the first egg. It's Little Lamb. Hello, Little Lamb. Pop goes the second egg. It's Bunny. How are you today, Bunny? Pop goes the third egg. It's Gargle. Hello, Gargle. Eggletam, Little Lamb, Bunny and Gargle. I wonder what you will do today. The Eagle have found some old toys. Gargle has found something very interesting. I wonder what it is. Little Lamb and Bunny want to see what Gargle has found. Little Lamb wants to play. Bunny wants to play. The Eggles take lots of photographs. Uh-oh! I wonder what Eggletam will think. A camera is lots of fun. But what will you do with all these photographs? Eggletam has a great idea. The Eggles made a special scrapbook. Everyone loves looking at the funny photos. Eggletam, Little Lamb, Bunny and Gargle. I think you had fun taking pictures today. It's time to say goodbye, little eggs. Goodbye, Gargle. Goodbye, Bunny. Goodbye, Little Lamb. Goodbye, Eggletam.